Unlock the full potential of Monopoly Go by mastering Discord, your ultimate hub for winning. First things first, let's find your tribe, open Discord and head to the Discover Servers tab here. You can search for Monopoly Go to find a plethora of communities dedicated to the game. Trading is a game changer in Monopoly Go, and Discord makes it a breeze. Navigate to the designated trading channels. You'll see players posting what stickers they need and what they have to offer. Be sure to read the trading etiquette to ensure smooth transactions. Beyond trading, these communities are gold mines for strategies. Join general chat channels to discuss in-game events, ask for advice on dice rolls, or share your latest winning streak. You'll learn valuable tips and tricks that can significantly boost your progress. Many servers also host exclusive events and giveaways for their members. Keep an eye on announcement channels for details on these opportunities, giving you an extra edge in the game. Once you've joined a server, make sure to check out the Welcome channel. This is where you'll find important rules, server announcements, and often introductions from other players. Why Euro, a great way to break the ice. Connecting with fellow players is what makes gaming fun. Discord allows you to build friendships, find allies for sticker collections, and even team up for future events. Don't be shy. Jump into conversations and become an active member of the community. By leveraging Discord, you're not just playing Monopoly Go, you're dominating it. So go forth, join a server, and start connecting to maximize your gameplay.